'Cause you're the only reason that I have a smile on my face. Someday, somehow, I'll find my way. 'Cause you're the only reason that I have a smile on my face.
Good morning, guys. How are you? It is Monday morning, last day of January. I am a sucker for a fresh start, or like the symbolism of it at least. So I love Monday mornings. I love like the first day of the month. I love a new year. So today I'm just getting all of my shit together. We got a huge snowstorm 2 days ago, so I'm finally ready to leave the house. I hate driving in the snow, so I just avoid it as much as I can. But I have to go pick up some groceries. I'm getting a HelloFresh order today, which is perfect. Vinny and I have been getting their meals for like a couple months now. It's just very convenient for us. I don't like meal planning, so it's perfect. I have to do some cleaning. I have like laundry left over from yesterday. I want to work out, but these are all things that are going to help set me up for the week. We're gonna tackle some of this stuff today together. Take you guys along with me. Right now I'm just placing a Target pickup order, which is the best thing ever. It honestly just saves me so much money too, because I don't have to go into Target and walk around and buy like a lot of unnecessary things I don't need. So let's see if we can do this. I tried to do this the other day, but they weren't doing any pickup orders, but that might have been because of like the snow was coming and everyone was like freaking out. Okay, yay, they're doing pickups. All right, so I'm going to just grab a couple more groceries and some other things that I need. And then I'm going to finish my coffee and then I will work out. That's going to be next on the agenda. But first I want to get this done so they can pack it up while I'm doing my other stuff. Also, I have to take down my Christmas trees. I took down all of my Christmas decorations, but I love the tree and it's cozy. I took off all the ornaments too, so it's kind of just like a wintry thing, but I think I'm over it now. And like when I decide I want something gone, like it has to be out like immediately. I'm so stupid. But that means I have to go wade through the snow to get to my shed, to get the boxes where I can put the trees in. So that, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. All right, so I'm gonna finish up what I gotta do and then I will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Far off dreams, far off places. My love, she sits. My love is waiting to set me free. Do you believe the realest things don't take up spaces? So hard to find. There on your own, just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see with golden eyes. So hard to find. There on your own, just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see with
Okay, workout is done. I'm going to do something very uncharacteristic for me, and that is have a second cup of coffee. I'm gonna out myself now. I am a grenade leaver. I do not finish like any drink. So it's very unlike me that I actually finished my coffee and I'm going to have another one. And I'm gonna show you guys how I make it because I am somebody who likes to go out and get coffee normally. I just kind of like the ritual of it and I feel like it always tastes a little bit better. Even though I have an espresso machine, it tastes better because I don't have to make it. I think that's what it comes down to. I've really been liking how I've been making my coffee at home, so I'm going to show you guys what I do. So step one is the vanilla eclair Nespresso pod. So this is my favorite creamer because it does not contain any sugar and it's sweet and it tastes delicious. So because I only have a little bit of this left, I'm just gonna use whatever's in there. And then I will cut it with a little bit of regular unsweetened almond milk because I like more of like a latte style. Sometimes I just use the nut pods. Sometimes I will do half and half depending on like how much milk I actually want in my coffee. Then I take a tiny bit of maple syrup, like, I don't know, not even a quarter of a teaspoon. And because I don't want to make my coffee cold, I will heat this up for like 30 seconds in the microwave. Okay, now that this is warm, I'm going to just throw a dash of cinnamon in there and then take my handy dandy milk frother and blend this up. I do have a frother that's attached to my Nespresso, but this little $2 one from IKEA actually is like way more powerful. Plus I don't have to clean out the whole thing, so it's easier. But that one does warm the milk as well, so I guess I have to clean out the cup anyway. It doesn't matter. Pour that in here. And we have a delicious cinnamon bun latte. It's so good. Okay, so this room now is my task. Now that my coffee is made, I can get to cleaning. Let's do this. Oh, also, let me get my headphones because I like to listen to podcasts while I clean or audiobooks. So lately, as far as podcasts go, been listening to my usual Last Podcast on the Left, My Favorite Murder, Dollop. I've also been listening to the Murdaugh Murders podcast, which is so good and fucked up. What a family, man. And also, I just have to say, these little Bluetooth headphones are so good. I think they were like 20 bucks on Amazon, and I'll link them. I've had them for a really long time, and yeah, AirPods who? Not me. All right, never mind. I just got a notification that my order is ready from Target, so I'm gonna go pick that up now so I don't have to head out again later. I don't know. Is anyone else like that, where like if you have to get something done, like it has to be done in the morning? I don't know, I guess that's just when I have the most energy, is the morning time. Okay, so let's go pick up that order and then we'll come back. Let's see if I can even get out of my driveway. Oh, I did it. Okay. I did it. I like the snow when it's happening, and I like how it looks, but then when it interferes with everyday life, I'm like, all right, you need to leave. And they never fucking plow our street. I think this rich guy at the end of our street hired someone to do it privately because it doesn't seem like as wide as the township plow, and I guess they just didn't decide to come. I don't know. It's so stupid. All right, well, main roads are clear, so that's good. Made it back. I forgot some stuff in my order, so I just have to go online real quick and like get some refunds for that, and then we can finally begin cleaning. So I've got to get through this back to my shed over there to get the Christmas tree.
Reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
Taking a quick food break and catching up on some YouTube videos, and then I'm going to hop in the shower and probably get to some laundry, I think. I folded some shirts already, but I'll probably get to like the socks and stuff while I watch some TV or something. Hello, you guys. It is now the next day. I know my outfit basically looks the same as yesterday, but I promise it is not. It is different. That doesn't matter. No one cares. I just finished getting ready, sort of. I did not do anything with my hair, but I'm going to clean up that mess over here, organize a little bit behind me.
Maybe I'm not right to choose, but I can't bring myself to lose. So fold me over, make me new, make me new. The rain is pouring down again. The clouds are getting hard to trust. Rip my heart open, be my friend, so I can feel I'm loved, and I can't tell time. It's alright, but no.
Okay, so I am basically done with this room. The only thing that I have not gotten to yet are these books and this stuff back here. But the books bring me to my next project. I realize I don't like this bookshelf. And if you remember, I redid this probably, I don't know, 6 months ago. I'm so bad with timing, I cannot remember. I am literally the worst with timing. I can never remember how much time has passed with things. But anyway, I redid this shelf. I was sitting in that area yesterday just watching some YouTube, and I was actually watching McKenna and Lone Fox, and I just got the bug to like change something up, and that bookcase is always a mess. Just like all the junk goes there, all of my books, which I love my book collection. So I do want to maybe keep some of it open, maybe get some doors. I'm thinking of maybe just closing up the bottom and leaving the top exposed, because I do like some exposure, but then again, I have these open shelves over here, so I don't necessarily need this to be open. I also pulled this plant from my bedroom. I felt like with the Christmas trees gone, it felt really empty, so I want to get some kind of plant for there, or just replace the one in the bedroom. But so I organized like my books, I kind of fit them back in, but I have to fit those other books in here now too. And all of his textbooks are gigantic. So I don't know. The plan for this eventually is I think I want it to be black and to change out the wallpaper behind or just paint the whole thing black, but I don't think I want to do that. I think I want a darker toned wallpaper back there. We will figure that out eventually. So I think that's where I'm going to leave you guys today. I want to sit down and edit this video. Would you guys be interested in seeing like DIY renovation stuff? Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like the process of me making over the bookcase. I also have some other projects that I want to get done. I'm redoing some stuff in my office as well. We're getting a new making a new desk. Let me know if you guys would like to see content like that. It's honestly the content that I enjoy watching the most, but that's because my mom's an interior designer and I've always just been really interested in that. I know I'm asking, but I'm also probably going to record the whole process of this bookcase because it is just bugging me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, cleaning up my space, resetting a little bit. I love a fresh start. I said it before, I'll say it again. Okay, so my arm is legit dying right now, so I'm gonna go, but thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.